welcome to my new video. So here I will make a box for keeping these all sketches. So first I tell you some things which we need for making this sketch box. So we need glue. Here I have made glue. Which glue we have? Feviglue. In that I have added pink color from which this made. So next I have taken Fevistick, tape, scissor, a box of any medicine. You can take the box from the size of your sketch box. Okay. And next I have taken cardboard, 2 4A sheets. So let's start the video. So at the starting we will cut here. I will take the size of my sketch, as you can see. So I take the size of my sketch. The size of my sketch is up to here. So I put the mark here. So let's cut it. From this size, from this place I will cut. So let us cut. I have taken a scissor. So friends, as you can see, I have cut it into equal. Not equal, I have cut. So let us make more. So it is looking so bad from all the areas. So let us make a sheet, a paper sheet. For this, I will take the size in 1/8. So as you can see, I have taken this sketch and from there I have put the mark, and from here also I will put the mark, and next I will make my box like this. Size will be equal, and here also I will put mark. Now let us take the size of the box. So here I will put the size of box. You can see it is like this, and here also I will the size 3. So friends, I have cut it, as you can see here. I will cut it all. Okay. So with the help of scissor I will cut. So friends, as you can see here, I have cut it. Here I will put my scale and fold it like this. And same thing I will do here also. Fold it. So let us stick on our box, this box, which I have cut it. Back side is left. We will make again. So let us stick. I will take the help of the Fevistick. Every side I will put the gum. So without taking time, let us stick it fast because it gets dry very fast. So I have sticked it. It is done. We will decorate it also. So let us take the paper here. Same thing we have to do. We have to cut like this. So friends, I will not cut it paper from here for this place, because we have to put here this cardboard. I have taken the cardboard of 1 copy. So let us mark here. I have taken on sketch mark. Let us mark here. Every area we have to mark. Okay. It is opening, so first I put here tape. Before putting tape, when we put tape, then it can't work very nicely, means we can't draw any of the drawing on it. So let us draw first. So I'm drawing, please don't mind. So friends, I have put a tape also here and drawn. It is not seeing so properly because it is jib blue color. So it will not seeing so properly, but I have made here one heart. So I have take the size before, so let us cut it. I am cutting it. So friends, one wrong we have done. We have to not to take the size of this. We have to take the full size. We have to take the size of our full box. So where I have taken the size. So now next process is here I will put from geometry one is coming. I am showing you. So friends, here I have taken the size of our small box. So I will do here like this, and I don't know the name of this in geometry. I don't know the name of this because I got only 2 years studying geometry and maths, so I don't understand. So now next is we fold here. This like this. I have folded. Next, you can see I will stick it here and stick it here, and it will be fold and it come here like this. So let us stick it. Before sticking it, I will take the size of this. So let us take the size. It is very easy and simple, but it gone long. So let us cut it. So friends, I have cut. So let us stick here. Here I will stick it. It will fold like this. I will take the help of tape. Sorry, scale. So let us cut it. So friends, I have taped it also. So now we have to stick it here on both the places. But we have not decorated it from this. So let us decorate. Same thing. So as you can see, I have put it one side. I have not done. With the help of this, I will do the one. So I will stick and I will stick, but it can't stick properly. So I will do tape. You can do any one, but it gets so strong power. So I will drop my. So let us put here this fairy stick and stick. It will not stick so properly, so I will take the help of tape. You can do any one option also. It is not compulsory to do like me. Video बंद है. So I have sticked it from the places. From 3 sides I will stick this. तो फ्रेंड्स, मैंने यहाँ पे इसको नहीं लगाया है. आप लोग चाहो तो लगा सकते हो, क्योंकि ये मैं होम यूज़ पे कर रही हूँ, तो इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पे नहीं किया है. इसको मैं लगा के डेकोरेट भी कर सकती थी, बट आई हैव नॉट डन. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक अ कार्डबोर्ड. ओके, सो आई हैव टेकन दिस कार्डबोर्ड. So here I will take the design of square, or you can take the design of anything. I have taken the design of square or any other thing. So in a square I will cut this. First I will put if we have to cut anything by taking size, we have to take the size every time. Okay, so let us cut it. I have cut 2, so let us stick it here. Okay, so here I will stick it with the help of glue. We will stick it. So we will put the glue because outside will be at upside. So we will fold it in second direction and put the glue here also. So taping also I am doing. So I have done it, but I have to do the taping so properly. So next I will close it between this all. So let us do taping properly. Friends, I have done the taping and it will close like this and open like this. It is done, so let us decorate it. 3. So let us decorate. So friends, as you can see here, I have made the design. I have made here one heart, smiley and heart, and back side I have nothing made. And here I love flowers, so I have made a flower pot. It is not looking so good, but I have made. And so here I have made the smiley, one smiley. And sketch pen box, I have written a sketch pen box, star, heart, and so on. Let us keep the sketches in it. So let us keep sketch in it. So friends, as you can see here, I have kept the sketches in it. I have 12 sketch, and you can take the box as per the size of your sketch. My sketches are so small, so I have taken this box, and you can see it properly. So let us do the arrangement of the table and of all the things. So bye bye everyone, and we will meet in our next video, and I don't know which is. So bye everybody, and make this stuff at your home also. Bye.